Hello children, welcome back with the book Marigold for class 3. Today we will deal with the question answer and the exercises of the chapter A Little Fish Story from Unit 4. Children, this is the part 2 of this chapter, that is A Little Fish Story. Now the question answers. First question is, how many fish are there in the sea? And the answer is, there are great many million fish in the sea. Second question, why was the little fish unhappy? And the answer is, the little fish was unhappy because he was so very small. Third, what happened to the fish one day? And the answer is, one day the little fish was caught in a great net. Last one, why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? And the answer is, the little fish was thankful to be a little fish because he came out from the net and slipped back into the water. Now, talk time. What you have to do? You have to talk with your friends, with your siblings, about the given subject. First subject is, imagine you are a little fish. Describe what you might see around you. आप इमेजिन करिए कि आप एक छोटी मछली हैं और अपने आसपास की चीज़ों को बताइए, डिस्क्राइब करिए. सेकंड, इन योर क्लास टॉक अबाउट द टाइम यू वर कॉट doing something you were not supposed to do. You can discuss in your own language as well as in English. Secondly क्या है, आप अपनी क्लास में बात करिए कि कभी क्या आपने ऐसी चीज़ की है जो आपको नहीं करना चाहिए था. इसको आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में और इंग्लिश में भी बात करने की प्रैक्टिस करिए. वर्ड बिल्डिंग. लुक एट द पैटर्न एंड fill in the blanks. One is done for you and rest of the exercise has been done by me for you. Look, looked. Pick, picked. I have already written here. Bark, barked. Want, wanted. Talk, talked. Wish, wished. Pull, pulled. Help, helped. What are these? These are verbs. Verbs are the action words and you have to write the second form of the verb. Next is, fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. This is also done by me for you, dear children. Paper, flowers, water, matches, cows, wools. You have to write the proper word like a glass of water, a box of matches, a sheet of paper, a bunch of flowers, a herd of cows, a pack of wolves. Children, these are the collection or the groups. Next, look at the following sentence. If I were only larger, how much happier I could be? Now, what you have to do? You have to make more sentences like this using the words in the box. And given words are taller, thinner, smaller, cleverer, younger, older. You have to fill in the blanks like this. If I were only taller, how much happier I could be. Now children, you can write like this as I have done here. If I were only thinner, how much happier I could be. Rest of the lines are like this. Say aloud. Blunder, wonder, thunder, plunder, flounder. And last, song time. Singing or crying. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Why are you crying, Mahesh? He asks. Mahesh says, I am not crying. I am singing an English song. Now, you have to fill in the blanks which is based on the above poem. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. Venkatesh thinks Mahesh is crying. Mahesh is singing a song. The song is in English. Thank you, bachcho. Bye-bye. Now, read the chapter and enjoy meeting again. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.